Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I choose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Should I start an LLC for my nail salon? Nail salons are popular businesses that offer grooming services to a wide range of clients. Whether you're a seasoned nail technician or a newcomer to the industry, structuring your business as a limited liability company, LLC, can provide several advantages. These include liability protection, tax benefits, and enhanced credibility. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of setting up an LLC for your nail salon. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Busy, a professional formation service company that specializes in helping you file your LLC or corporation. Busy is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of Busy is available in the description box below. Okay, now let's get back to today's video. Do I need an LLC for a nail salon? LLCs are a simple and inexpensive way to protect your personal assets and save money on taxes. You should start an LLC when there's any risk involved in your business, and/or when your business could benefit from tax options and increased credibility. LLC benefits for a nail salon. By starting an LLC for your nail salon, you can protect your savings, car, and house with limited liability protection. Have more tax benefits and options. Increase your business's credibility. Limited liability protection. LLCs provide limited liability protection. This means your personal assets, e.g., car, house, bank account, are protected in the event your business is sued or if it defaults on a debt. Nail salons will benefit from liability protection because of the risk of product liability, workplace accidents, and financial data breaches. LLC tax benefits and options for a nail salon. LLCs, by default, are taxed as a pass-through entity, just like a sole proprietorship or partnership. This means that the business's net income passes through to the owner's individual tax return. The business's net income is then subject to income taxes, based on the owner's tax bracket, and self-employment taxes. Sole proprietorships and partnerships are taxed in a similar way to LLCs, but they do not offer limited liability protection or other tax options. S-Corp option for LLCs. An S-Corporation S-Corporate is an IRS tax status that an LLC can elect. S-Corp status allows business owners to be treated as employees of the business for tax purposes. S-Corp tax status can reduce self-employment taxes and will allow business owners to contribute pre-tax dollars to 401k or health insurance premiums. Credibility and consumer trust. Establishing an LLC can give your nail salon an extra layer of professionalism and credibility. This can boost the confidence of your clients, suppliers, and lenders, showing them your seriousness and commitment to your business. Step-by-step guide to forming a nail salon LLC. Step 1. Choose a unique nail salon LLC name. The first step in forming an LLC is choosing a name for your nail salon. This should be distinctive, relevant, and easy for potential customers to remember. Check with your state's Secretary of State office to make sure the name you want is available and meets all state requirements. Step 2. Designate a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or entity authorized to receive official legal and tax correspondence on behalf of your LLC. It's a legal requirement for all LLCs. This can be a member of the LLC or someone else you appoint, or you can use a registered agent service. Step 3. File the Articles of Organization. The Articles of Organization is a document that officially forms your LLC. It typically includes information about your business, such as its name, address, and the names of the owners. You file this document with your state's Secretary of State office, or whatever office handles business formation in your state. Step 4. Create an operating agreement for your nail salon. An operating agreement is a crucial document that outlines how your LLC will be run. It typically covers topics like membership rights and responsibilities, how profits and losses are distributed, and procedures for handling the departure or addition of members. Step 5. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN. What is an EIN is like a social security number for your business. It's necessary for filing taxes, hiring employees, and setting up a business bank account. You can apply for an EIN for free through the IRS website. Step 6. Register for state and local taxes. Depending on your location and the nature of your business, you may need to register for various state and local taxes, such as sales tax or employment tax. Check with your state and local tax agencies for specific requirements. Step 7. Secure necessary business licenses and permits for a salon. Nail salons typically require a variety of licenses and permits to operate legally. These might include a general business license, a cosmetology license, and health department permits. Check with your state and local authorities to understand what's needed for your business. Do LLCs need insurance? All businesses need insurance to protect their business assets, even LLCs. This is because the limited liability protection from an LLC protects your personal assets, not your business assets. A nail salon needs liability insurance to provide protection against bodily injury to patrons, which is an ever-present risk. General liability insurance also covers property damage, legal fees, and court awards. Other types of coverage nail salons need: commercial auto insurance, commercial property insurance, workers' compensation insurance, business interruption insurance, commercial umbrella insurance. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your own limited liability company in the state of West Virginia in 2024. This screen record I'll show, for example, like any state so that you can understand the whole process. That's why it will be shorter. So, I'm going to take you through the process step by step. Okay, so let's get started. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service, which no other company offers. After clicking the link in the description, you will land on this page. Hover your mouse over the Services section, and then click on the Form and LLC button. After that, click on the Start Now button, and from here the formation process begins. On the next page, select LLC as your entity type, and in the State of Formation option, I'm going to select West Virginia. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $125 in all the packages. Busy is not making any income on that. That is the state getting their filing fee. Like other states, West Virginia also has 3 different plans, which are Basic, Standard, and Premium, and the price of the 3 packages is different, which I'm going to explain why. Basic package is the cheapest option out of the 3, and this is the package where Busy charges $0 for their service. If you select this option, you simply need to pay the $125 state filing fee that you have to pay anyway if you file manually. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email. Next is the Standard package, which costs $199, and this is the package I highly recommend everyone to grab because it basically covers everything you will need to start a business legally. This package includes everything from the Basic package plus other services like providing and filing EIN, which is a business tax number, operating agreement, lifetime company alerts, business bank account, tax consultation, Form 2553, etc. So one way or another, you are going to need these services. The Premium package costs $299 and is the most expensive one out of the 3 because it includes 3 extra services: free next day filing, business contract templates, and domain name plus business email. These services are like a cherry on top, which will help you to complete your LLC filing faster. So, if you are in a hurry and want to complete your LLC filing as soon as possible, then you can choose this package. In the next section, Busy is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. I will just type the name that I used to file an LLC before and select LLC as a designator. Below, Busy will show you how your LLC name will be displayed officially. Below, Busy is asking you to provide your business purpose. I will just type a random purpose here and click on Next. In the next section, they will ask you whether you want an expedited filing service or not, which I already talked about previously. In the next section, Busy will ask you to provide the personal information of the person who will be responsible for this LLC. For the sake of creating this video, I will just provide random personal information, but remember, you should always use your own verified information when completing this form. In the next section, you will see Busy will ask you whether you want to use their professional business address or your own business address. In the next part, provide the mailing address of the responsible person of the LLC. Remember, A P.O. box is not allowed in this case. It should be a verified address. In the next section, BZ will ask you to select the number of owners or members your LLC might have. I will just select one for the sake of creating this video. After that, BZ will show you as a member in this section. Then select your name as a member, and use BZ's virtual office address as your business address. You can click on the next button. After that, BZ will ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. So, I highly recommend you choose the free 1-year option and then click on the next button. In the next section, BZ is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. And this is a compulsory requirement for creating a corporation or LLC through your state. But if you are from the USA, then just select yourself as the person applying for EIN and provide your SSN. I will just provide a random SSN for the sake of creating this video. Below, BZ will be asking you to provide the address of the person applying for the EIN. Just click on the second checkbox and use the assigned address that will be provided by BZ, and click on Next. In the next section, BZ will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of Relay, which I previously explained in the beginning. But for the sake of creating this video, I'll just select the Yes button and proceed to the next step. Next, BZ will ask you whether you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. Always select the Yes option because it will help make this clear how to run and operate an LLC and how to file taxes and lots of other things. After that, depending on the type or industry your LLC is about, BZ will automatically find out if you need any other business licenses and permits or not. The cost of these 2 licenses is $99. After selecting the Yes option, provide the address of your business where BZ will do additional research on your behalf. After that, BZ will show you your total due amount. Once you are done with the payment, they will start processing your order, and you will receive your LLC formation documents within 3 days to 6 weeks depending on your package type. So for just $601 in total, you can register your own LLC today in the state of West Virginia using BZ.